pants on. This is not a strip club.
Your mom's gonna be in here. I'm gonna do that.
No, you're not.
I love
Just
you,
put your pants on.
I can't pull them off. It's
Well,
hard.
I go help him.
No. It's funny as hell.
What?
It's funny as shit.
Yeah, but his ass is like right in front of me. I don't want to see that shit.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, I got my pants.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, put them up. Now button them.
I'm a hood nigga. I keep the curve by the path.
What did you say?
Oh, this is on YouTube.
Oh my god.
You okay there?
I love you. God damn it!
My zipper's down.
You said, huh?
Yeah, my zipper's down.
What are you doing?
Look at